everybody, this is Chef Nano. I don't know if you recognize me because I've been losing a lot of weight. But anyway, today we're going to do the minestrone soup. Uncle Joe's minestrone soup that he used to serve at his restaurant, Numero Uno in Oak Forest. And everybody swore it was the best minestrone ever. But he would never tell anybody what his secret ingredient or recipe or none. He wouldn't even tell my mom. So one night I had a dream. And I was at his kitchen and he was making the minestrone soup. And I said, Joe, why won't you tell me what's in your soup? And he told me. He made me promise that I wouldn't tell nobody. So here's the best I can do, the closest I can come to his soup. And today I would like to dedicate this video to Joe. Joe, this video is for you. We got celery, onions, basil, and parsley. And we got the yellow tomatoes, the carrots, the green zucchini, the summer squash, the spinach, the Italian flat beans, the chickpeas, the cannellini beans, and then we got the tomatoes. Here's what we use here. We just chop them up a little bit, and that's the Italian flat beans are hard to find. That's probably the best ones I like using, although today we're using fresh from my garden. Okay, and then we got some garlic, cheese, and the rind from the cheese we put inside the sauce to give it more flavor. So now we put the garlic with the oil and everything right in the pot. Get that all in there. Some won't come out, but okay. All right, we got that in there. We'll stir it up a little bit, and it's on kind of medium, low heat. Then we throw the onions. Got that. And we get the celery. Put that down. Okay. And then we just simmer, cook slow. So here we go. We want to just, on medium heat, a little low, we want to just have them transparent. We don't want to brown them. So once they look like they're kind of transparent, you throw the carrots in there. So now we throw the carrots in there. Okay, the next step, I got to be careful with it. We're going to add the broth and then the cheese. Okay, so now we can turn up the temperature a little more, and we want to get it a little hotter and bring it to a boil. The three main ingredients is the onion, celery, and the carrots, and then a little garlic. Or coming to a boil, you can start putting the seasoning. Here I put the salt. Then we put the black pepper. Little onion powder. Little oregano. Okay? Okay, so now we get into a slow boil. We'll turn it down a little bit. We'll put the cheese rind in there. And then we'll cover it up and simmer low. Okay, so these 5 ingredients will go in next. We'll put the basil, parsley in there. Basil, parsley. We put the Italian beans. And we got the tomatoes. A lot of tomato. It looks good. Okay. Tomatoes. And one more thing. And then we put the spinach. All right. Okay, we're going to turn it down to medium low. And we wait until the spinach is wilted. Here we go. We're going to put the chickpeas. Got the chickpeas. Got the zucchini. One there. with the acorn squash. And then cannellini beans. Okay, so now it's going to simmer on low for about an hour. And then later at the end, we'll put the pasta in. Okay, it's been cooking over an hour. And now we'll get this in a bowl. I added the pre-cooked pasta about 15-20 minutes ago. Okay, so now it cooled for about 10 minutes. We put the cheese on there. And if you like the looks of this, like and subscribe to our channel. So anyway, let's try it out. It looks really good. Joe, you got a good recipe here. The best minestrone I ever had. Molto, molto buono. You have the soup, you feel like singing, Arrivederci Roma. So anyway, thanks for watching, Chef Nano. And here is my, don't forget, put grapes in your wine to chill them, frozen grapes. And you know what tastes good? After you finish your wine, the grapes taste like wine. So, salute.